Welcome to a practice session where we will swap nouns for other synonyms from episode 1. In one part of the episode, when saying, "Welcome to the practice session," you can say, "Warmly welcome to the practice session," or "Kindly welcomed," or "Cordially welcome to the practice session where we will practice the vocabulary." In the phrase, "where we will practice the vocabulary," you can replace vocabulary with other words like repertoire, expressions, set of words, vocabulary items, terms. So we could say, "where we will practice the words," or "let's practice the expressions." In another part, it says the vocabulary related to the bedroom. You could also say the vocabulary related to the kitchen, related to the living room, or vocabulary related to the house. In another section, it says there are various categories of vocabulary. We can replace the word various with words like varied, different, multiple, distinct, diversified, or countless. So the sentence would become, there are countless categories of vocabulary. There are varied categories of vocabulary. There are different categories of vocabulary. There are diversified categories of vocabulary. The amount of vocabulary you've learned in this sentence is important. You can even say there are numerous categories of vocabulary. Or there are diversified categories of vocabulary in the bedroom, like furniture. The word furniture can also be replaced by other words such as furnishings, furnitures, items in the room, bedroom setup, or basic bedroom furnishings in some contexts. In another section, it says the decoration items and the electronics. We can change the word items to objects, elements, pieces, components, decoration products, decorative articles, decorative items, elements of decoration, and electronics. In another part, it says our focus today will be practiced. We can replace the word today with other words like tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, yesterday, in a week, next year, or other variations. So the sentence could be, our focus tomorrow will be practiced, or our focus in a week will be practiced. See how this sentence changed? In another section, it says you will also find a nightstand. We can replace also with other words like besides, in addition, as well, or furthermore. Using these words, the sentence would become, you will likewise find a nightstand, you will, in addition, find a nightstand, you will still find a nightstand, or you will, in the same way, find a nightstand. In another section, it says, that is next to the bed. We can change the word next to with alternatives like close to, near, beside the bed, next to the bed, side by side with the bed, or right next to the bed. The sentence would become, that is close to the bed, that is near the bed, that is beside the bed, or that is side by side with the bed. In another part, it says, in addition, you will find a dresser. We can change in addition to other words like besides, moreover, or on top of that. The sentence would become, moreover, you will find a dresser. On top of that, you will find a dresser, or you will also find a dresser. In this practice, you can learn new words by replacing words with synonyms to expand your vocabulary. Go back to video 1 if you'd like to practice memorization a bit more. I'll see you in the next episode.